Have you tried this ancient Chinese practice for more energy? Coach Zach here, and in this video, we're going to be doing a quick morning routine that's going to give you more energy. Now, the techniques in this routine come from the ancient Chinese practice of Qi Gong. If you've never heard of Qi Gong before, it's similar to Tai Chi, where it's a practice that's going to help open up the energy centers in your body, the meridians, allowing energy in the form of Qi to flow more freely through your body. Now, you might be skeptical when you hear about Qi or energy, but just give this a try and see how you feel. So you can do this first thing when waking up, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna shake our body. Now, this looks simple, but I've seen a lot of people have trouble with this, where they can't allow their body to fully relax, right? They try to shake and they're just stiff like a board, moving up and down. Let your body go, let your arms go, let your shoulders come up to your ears and come down. Just let everything relax, right? Bouncing up and down has so many benefits to the body. Shakes out the tension, gets everything moving, circulation going. And hey, you know what else is a form of jumping that can be a lot of fun and a great cardio workout? It is jump rope. It can be hard to get started, so check out that pinned comment down below for the jump rope routine. Again, just bouncing up and down on the heels, let your shoulders relax. Take a moment, you can close your eyes, just stand there, notice how you're feeling. Next, we're gonna hit key points in our head and our face to help stimulate that energy. So you're gonna use the palms of your hands and just tap your head, go to the back, to the suboccipitals, which is the base of your head, up to the top. Now you're gonna use your fingers and you're gonna start to tap on the inside of your eyebrows, right? All these are key energy points. Then you're gonna go to the outside of your eyebrows, under your eyes. Just a light pressure, you don't want it to hurt, but you want it to be firm. Under your nose, don't hit your lip, so right up over your lip. Under your lower lip. And we're gonna come to the inside of our collarbones. Tap, tap, tap. You're gonna use your hand, the knuckles, and just rub your sternum. Get all this energy flowing. Good. From here, shoulders up to ears, and just let them come down. You can do one, you can do both. Let's get your shoulders moving. Next, we're gonna do some heel drops to help clear our lungs of any stale air that might be stuck there from your rest. So you're gonna take a breath in, you're gonna lift your arms up to your shoulders, come up high on the balls of your feet, and on your exhale, drop down on your heels and let the breath go with a huh sound. So, shake it out. Next, we're gonna hit the key point of our kidneys. So, you're gonna use your hands, hit right where the kidneys are, so right under the ribs, but above your hips. And then from here, using that relaxed fist, you're gonna keep hitting your kidneys and then begin to transition to the outside of your hips. And you're gonna trace a line all the way down. Down the outside of your legs, get down to your feet, turn to the inside. You can use the palm of your hands, or you can make a soft fist all the way up the inside of your thighs, front of your hips, back to your kidneys. Again, to the outside, stimulating these lines of energy that are called meridians. You do that 2 to 3 times. Shake it out, take some breaths, just notice how you feel. I know that seemed weird. You might be looking at that and say that's woo-woo, that's crazy talk, that doesn't have science to back it up. This is an ancient Chinese practice, and as our science evolves more and more, we're actually beginning to coincide with these ancient practices of Qi Gong, of yoga, of Tai Chi. So there you go, give that routine a try. It should take you no longer than 3 to 5 minutes. Again, make it your own. Those are just some tips to get your day started, energized, and feeling good. Don't forget to check out that pinned comment down below to learn more about jumping rope, the benefits of it, and to get a program that has it all detailed out for you. As always, I'm Coach Zach with Team Criticalbench, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.